Hey friends, how are you? My name is Anjana Sagar. I am once again here with one more career option, and today I shall be covering robotics. You must have heard a lot about robotics. Now, how to enter this field of robotics? What is robotics? Robotics is the branch of engineering which is involved into making of the robots. Robots are programmed machines which can work autonomously or semi-autonomously. They are involved into doing many things, like they are involved in the manufacturing units, in the medical industry, in army. They have got lot of functions to do in today's world. Robotics is the interdisciplinary engineering branch which is the mixing of mechanical, electrical and electronics engineering. So let's start this journey of the robotics. So let's understand what is the work profile of a robotic engineer. What is the kind of work robotic engineer is supposed to carry out. First and foremost thing, as we all know that they are supposed to make the robots, they have to do the programming of the robots. Now they perform the engineering activities in planning and designing tools, engines to create programmed machines and robots. They develop, coordinate or monitor all aspects of production or operation of product design. They do extensive research in various mechanical and robotic technologies to update their robot with upcoming technology. They modify computer controlled motion of robots and automated machine. They develop, test and evaluate robot designs. They install and test robots for defect after assembly. A lot of work that robotic engineers that they do. Now let's do the come to the qualification. What are the qualification needed to be a robotic engineer? 10+2 mandatory, science stream, maths and physics are important, mandatory. After 10+2 you can do BTech in robotics or mechatronics. Then you can do MTech in specialized branch of robotics and then PhD. This is one way of entering into the robotic field. The second way is that you can do a 10+2 in science, then BTech in electronics, electrical, mechanical, computer science or in instrumentation. And after doing BTech, you can do MTech in robotics or mechatronics, and then you can do PhD in any specialized field of robotics. So this is how you can enter into the field of robotics. Now, what are the colleges that offer courses in robotics? First is the SRM University, Chennai in mechatronics. Then the University of Petroleum and Energy Studies in Dehradun, which is offering BTech in mechatronics. And then Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal, which is giving BTech in mechatronics. For rest of the engineering, there are many colleges. You can search on the net that what all colleges are there which are offering courses of engineering. So after qualification, let's see what is the job scope for robotic engineer. They do not have dearth of options because almost every industry has automized their way of working. So let's see. The robotics professional is growing with increasing use of technology in different manufacturing and service sectors. They are involved in the medical industry as instrumentation engineer, ocean diving engineers, space survey and analysis engineer, agricultural instrumentation engineer, system design and analysis engineer, and mineral extraction engineer. They are also into, of course, in the robot design, they will definitely be making the robot, and then they are into flexible manufacturing engineering also. So there is a lot of options available to a robotic engineer. Now let's check out the abilities that the robotic engineer should possess. Robotic engineers are learners all the time. They should know something about everything that is involved in the field of robotics. Science or applied mathematics, they should have programming mindset, judgment and decision making, high analytical and critical thinking, good communication, and they should be capable of solving complex problems. And before being proficient at technology design means able to design systems that actually work. which is obviously important when you are building a robotic system. It also means being able to figure out why something isn't working properly and come up with a possible solution. So requiring the skill in repairing. So these are few of the abilities that a robotic engineer should possess. Robotic engineer takes care of all the aspects of the robots, designing them, programming them, and if required, repairing them. And in today's world, robots are in demand in the industrial sector also. There is a lot of opportunities in this field in India as well as abroad. It is an amalgam of different engineering fields. So if you are looking for this option, it is well paid option also, and if you are interested into this field, then you should definitely go with this field. This is all from my side about the robotics. If you have any suggestion or comment, please drop in the comment box, and do like the video if you liked it, and to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Stay healthy, stay safe.